Welcome to Vegan Ultra Special Red Lobster Edition. So, my grandfather just had a birthday and he wanted to go to Red Lobster. So, let me share with you the challenges of eating vegan at Red Lobster. As you might imagine from the name of the restaurant chain, it's focused on seafood. Well, if you do a search, you can see here, this is AI generated search saying, oh, you can ask them to use alternatives for buttermilk and butter and make vegan cheddar bay biscuits. No, they will not do that. I actually called ahead and saw to see what can they do. Now, these options here, such as the Kung Pao noodles, yes, you can theoretically take out the butter and the shrimp, so it's just essentially rice and vegetables. However, the problem is that some of the sauces that they use. You want to be careful with those because they can still cause 1,200 calories for these dishes. So, for salads, you also want to make sure that it's oil and vinegar. Yes, that's correct. The green beans, at least in the restaurant I called in Roseville, Minnesota, no longer available. Neither is the quinoa rice. The baked potatoes, sure, that's good. Seasoned broccoli, crispy Brussels sprouts. Now, mind you, there is cross-contamination. They will fry these in oil that is used with other fish. Not something I personally care about, but there are some vegans who do it for ethical reasons. For this, this is a deal breaker. Now, this orzo rice, actually, no, make sure you ask because I checked and it does have butter in it. So that leaves things like a baked potato, the fries, and the seasoned broccoli. So let me show you what I went ahead and got rather than try to, with 7 people there, try to get them to do noodles that may or may not have 1,200 calories. I just went with simple fries and broccoli with sea salt. This was actually quite tasty. And if we take a look at Chronometer, less than 1,000 calories. That was a surprise to me. Now, in terms of course, protein, a decent amount of it, lots of fat, and not that much saturated fat, and a surprising amount of fiber. And even the sodium, not that high. So, while this certainly is no Olive Garden, you can, in fact, enjoy a vegan meal with your family at Red Lobster. Basically, this shows that if you plan ahead, you can live your values, stay healthy, and still enjoy time with family and friends in our non-vegan world. Thank you so much for joining and watching. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video to help other people find it on YouTube, and consider trying Lose on Vegan Lifestyle. Tell me to lose over 100 pounds in 8 months, becoming the healthiest, happiest version of myself. And as my doctor says, this science-based magic and nutrition-fueled sorcery can help anybody become the ultra version of yourself if you just give it a chance and are powered by plants.